Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be trying out the cheapest facial wax strips available on Amazon India. These are the Hilary Rhoda facial wax strips which are available for Rs 175 on Amazon, and these are the variants available. You get 20 strips and 2 finishing wipes with this pack. I have uploaded a short video where I have used the facial wax strips available on Shein. If you have not watched it, I'll link it down below so you can see the differences between the two. So let's begin. I'll be taking a wipe and rubbing it between my palms to warm it up. If you do not warm a facial wax strip, it won't work well on your skin. So you can make out the consistency when you peel them open. So this strip is nicely warmed up, and now I'll be using it on my chin hair. So this is the growth of my chin hair. I'll be applying the strip in the direction of the hair growth and nicely pushing down the strip so that it sticks well. And now it's time to pull the facial wax strip, and just in one stroke a lot of hair is gone. So I have some stubborn hair on my chin area, and I'll be going over this area again with the same strip. By the way, I used the Mountainor Facial Wax Powder just 6 days before this video, and in 6 days I already had so much hair growth. If you have not checked that video, please do check it out for my honest review on the facial wax powder by Mountainor. I'm going over this area for the third time. I'm really liking how these facial strips are working. You can reuse these strips 2 or 3 times, and after that you will have to use a new strip to get rid of hair. And I must be honest, this does not hurt at all. Very easy to use, affordable as well. Here I'm covering a large area of hair, and let's see how the wax strip works. Did you see that? So much hair gone in just one pull. So for those who are interested in using facial wax strips, can easily buy these from Amazon. Please do a patch test before trying these on your face, because some people have really sensitive skin and some have low pain tolerance as well. Now I'll be taking a second facial wax strip because the first one has lost its power. I always prefer to use facial wax strips on my chin hair because the hair gets pulled out from its root and it takes good 10 to 15 days to grow back. But my upper lip hair, I prefer to shave it because I feel that facial wax strips don't work very well on my upper lip hair. So now here you will see I have these stubborn hair which are very difficult to remove, and let's see how many attempts are required to get this hair removed. It is advisable not to go over the same area 2 or 3 times because it can hurt your skin, and this happened with me. I already had some irritation from the facial wax powder that I used 6 days back, and waxing over the same area irritated my skin a lot. I also had some scarring because of this, which you can see in the video I uploaded on the Tir Cushion Foundation. The scars are very visible in that video. And yay, the hair is finally gone. I would like to know from you guys, what do you use to remove your facial hair? Do you use facial wax strips, or that wax powder, or hot wax, or do you prefer threading? I have just stopped threading since years because that hurts so much and I cannot bear that pain. I always prefer shaving my eyebrows and my upper lip hair because that's the easiest and the most pain-free method to get rid of hair. I do get ingrown hair when using facial wax strips, but I just let that hair be and I remove it when I wax the next time. I cannot say that these facial wax strips are the best, but they are really good for the price. You will have some redness after using these facial wax strips which will settle down. You can also use ice after waxing to calm your skin down. The finishing wipes that come with the pack also remove excess glue that is stuck to your face. So yes friends, this was my review on the Hilary Rhoda facial wax strips. If you found this video helpful, please do like and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.